For you 2007.5 to 2012 Dodge guys that want to run the 2013 and up actuators, Fleece has come out with the harness for you to be able to do so. This is a very high quality product. This has got OE quality connectors on it, good gauge wire, just a nice piece. Again, 2007.5 to 2012 Dodge owners, you're thinking about switching over to the 2013 and up actuator style. This is going to be the harness that you're going to need to have on your truck. So we will link you in this video to be able to purchase this Fleece actuator harness, and we thank you for watching. I don't know what any of this means, but apparently you can buy t-shirts on YouTube now. So we're going to link you directly on here on the YouTube in the video somewhere where you can go and you can purchase Thoroughbred Diesel swag. It'll be great. You don't have to leave your video or the YouTube realm or whatever in the hell goes on here. Go here, buy yourself some Thoroughbred Diesel swag.